So hello everyone. Before starting this video, I'm going to show you something. First, watch this. So in this video, I am going to show you how you can also create this type of video. I have not used Vivo 3 to create this. I have used a Google Experimental Lab tool, which is known as Whisk. What Whisk does is it's take the capabilities of Nano Banana and Vivo 3 and put them at a single place. So you don't have to create a separate image, then put it in Vivo 3 and then generate your video. So without talking, let's start. So this is the Wix website. You will not see anything when you are going to open it first time. This is these are the things which I have uploaded on this website. So let's quickly. I'm going to tell you what are its features. So let's first start from here. This is the add image. After clicking here, you are going to see three things which will be open for you: the subject of the video, the scene of the video, and the style in which you want to create your video. Then see here. If you don't have any idea, you have to click on this dice and it will generate a random idea for you. The next is the aspect ratio. You can create in landscape, portrait, and square. Remember one thing that in portrait mode, you will be able to generate image but not able to create video. Video will be only created in the landscape mode. Okay. Now come here. You will see the subject. Here I have taken Sean the Sith. This this was not here. What you will see is like this. Here you can generate image by entering the text or upload the image from the local storage or from the internet. And if you don't have any idea, you can just click here and it will generate a random image for you. This you can download if you don't want delete. And if you want to edit this, just click on here. So this is the prompt for this image, and the edit which you want to make in this image, you have to write it here. So this was the thing. You can select more than one or two subject, more than one subject here. Same for the scene and same for the style. After doing this, just click here on hide image and don't forget one thing. If you want to generate a proper video, see this image, this and this all are highlighted. If I click on that, if I click on them again, see, they are not highlighted. So whatever prompt you are going to write here, make sure that this all are selected or those images are selected which you want to be selected. Then only it will pick that image from the storage and generate the image for you. The so this is the party environment which I have generated by using this. So let me show you what I have done. So just click on here and you can see our main character Sean the Sips comes in party 3 piece style and suit in style playing DJ. So this is the prompt which I have written after adding these images here, and after that I have click on enter. So it has generated random thing. So first it has generated these two image, then these two. So after image generation, choose the image which you like the most. I have chosen this. I am choosing this. Suppose I choose this image. So after choosing that, you have to click on animate. After clicking on animation, uh, here you have to write the prompt which you want in the animation to happen. So as I have shown you earlier, I have written that our main character Sean playing DJ in style. Let me show you the video which have been generated after writing that. So see, this is the video which have been generated after writing that prompt. So you can download it, watch it on full screen, share it, and report or delete it. So in this way, you can also create this type of video, but don't forget one thing: this is not free. You will only get 33 generation. I am getting 40 generation. I think it was 40 generation. After utilizing this, it has come to 33 generation. But for the free users, it is only 5 generation per month. And because I am a pro user, which I have got the Google Gemini Pro version, the student card, that's why I have this Pro version. You can also download all this video by clicking here. So this is how you can generate this type of video. So it was very simple. And let me show you my other project also. This is this I have tried to create with the Mr. Bean character. As you can see here, as you can see, I have written a prompt. I have written I have written a prompt here, birthday Mr. Bean character partition in 3D. It has generated me this kind of image. The best one which you like, you have to select and then click here. And again, see, I have, in the subject section I have added two. This lady was not there, so I have added this lady also. And after that, I have not added scene and style because I was testing whether it will run or not. After doing this, uh, this this is the image it has generated for me. Let me show you. And after generating this image, the prompt which I have given is partition where Mr. Bean is the DJ and old lady joins in and start dancing. So these are the two videos which have been generated. And let me show you the video. These are the photo. And after giving that prompt, the video is this. And here is another video. So as you can see that I am not very much creative. So this was all for this video.